What if I told you there's a secret hidden in plain sight? A code so powerful that it could unlock the secrets of the universe. A pattern so ancient, it's been whispered through pyramids, echoed in sacred geometry, and etched in the mind of one of the greatest geniuses to ever walk this earth. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." But what did he really mean? Why was he obsessed with these numbers? Why did he walk around a block 3 times before entering a building? Why clean his plates with 18 napkins? Why only stay in hotel rooms divisible by 3? This wasn't just OCD, this was intentional. Today, we finally peel back the veil. The 369 code is no longer hidden. Let's rewind. Before Elon Musk turned Tesla into a car, Nikola Tesla was the original name behind the future. A Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, and physicist. Tesla wasn't just ahead of his time, he was outside of time. While the world praised Edison, Tesla was building wireless energy towers. While others struggled with light bulbs, Tesla dreamed of lighting the entire Earth. He's the reason we have alternating current, AC, remote controls, neon lighting, even the groundwork for Wi-Fi and X-rays. But Tesla wasn't just a scientist, he was a mystic. He believed in vibration, frequency, and the cosmic patterns of the universe, and his obsession with 3, 6, and 9? It wasn't superstition, it was revelation. Tesla didn't believe numbers were just math. He saw them as sacred, alive, vibrating with energy. And the numbers 3, 6, and 9? He believed they were the code to understanding the very structure of reality. To most of us, numbers are just symbols, but Tesla saw them as frequencies. He once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." So why 3, 6, and 9? Why did he calculate environmental values around him just to make sure they were divisible by 3? Why build entire theories around these digits? Because these weren't just numbers to Tesla, they were portals. Let's dive into the vortex. There's a fascinating system called vortex mathematics. It's the idea that energy moves in spirals and loops, not in straight lines. Think of galaxies, hurricanes, or even the coils of DNA. In this system, you get a repeating pattern. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 7, 7 becomes 5, and 5 returns back to 1. This cycle repeats endlessly. Try it. 1 doubled is 2. 2 doubled becomes 4. 4 doubled gives us 8. Now 8 doubled is 16. And if we add the digits, 1 plus 6 equals 7. Doubling 16 gives us 32. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Next, doubling 32 results in 64. And 6 plus 4 gives us 10. And 1 plus 0 brings us back to 1. And there you are, full circle. Now here's the kicker. Where are 3, 6, and 9? They're not in the pattern. They exist outside of it. They're not part of the physical loop. They're part of the higher dimension guiding it. This led some scientists, like Marco Rodin, to claim that 3, 6, and 9 represent a flux field, a higher dimension of energy that controls the physical world. Think of them as the source code, and when you double them, 3 doubled gives us 6. 6 doubled becomes 12, and when we add the digits, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then, 3 once again doubles to 6, and 6 returns us to 12. which breaks back down to 3. And the loop continues. Still, number 9. But double 9? 9 doubled is 18. And when you add 1 and 8, you get 9. 18 doubled is 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 36 doubled becomes 72. And 7 plus 2 again gives us 9. No matter what you do, 9 always returns to 9. It's the constant, the origin, the infinite. That's why many call 9 the symbol of enlightenment. Let's go deeper. In ancient cultures, 9 has always been sacred. In Norse mythology, there are 9 realms. In Hinduism, 9 forms of goddess Durga. In Chinese culture, 9 is the number of heaven. But in mathematics, 9 is magical. Add any number to 9, then reduce the digits, and you'll return to the original number. Example, 3 plus 9 equals 12, and when we add 1 and 2, we're back to 3. 5 plus 9 gives us 14. 1 plus 4 brings us back to 5. 7 plus 9 equals 16, and 1 plus 6 returns us to 7. It's like 9 is invisible. It amplifies, but doesn't interfere. It's the observer, the bridge. Even in the pyramids of Giza, there are 3 large pyramids, aligned with Orion's belt, and 3 smaller ones nearby. Is this a coincidence? Or were the ancients trying to tell us something? Here's where it gets even crazier. The Fibonacci sequence, found in flower petals, galaxy spirals, and the branching of trees, follows a pattern deeply connected to the golden ratio. You'll find the same ratio in pyramids, Greek temples, and the human body. Nature follows math. Math follows frequency. And at the heart of this cosmic dance? 3, 6, and 9. Even honeycombs are built in hexagons. 6 sides. Snowflakes? 6-fold symmetry. Your DNA? A double helix spiral, a form created by Fibonacci and golden mean mathematics. You see where this is going? It's not numerology. It's the architecture of the universe. Tesla said, "If you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." So what does that really mean? Everything around you, every object, every sound, every emotion is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Solid matter? Just densely packed energy. Light, thoughts, love, sound, all vibrations. The universe doesn't speak in words. It sings in frequencies. And frequencies follow patterns. They follow mathematics. Sound waves vibrate in frequencies. Music? It's built on scales, based on mathematical ratios. And what do we find in those ratios? 3, 6, 9. Let's break this down. Octaves double in frequency. 110 Hz, 220 Hz, 440 Hz, and so on. These harmonics often land on tones where the digital root becomes 3, 6, or 9. Even the solfeggio frequencies, ancient sound healing tones, are based on numbers like 396 Hz, 639 Hz, 963 Hz. Again, 3, 6, and 9. Coincidence or code? These vibrations not only shape sound, but structure matter. There's a stunning experiment called cymatics, where sand or water placed on a vibrating surface forms intricate patterns depending on the sound frequency. And what happens when those frequencies hit 396 Hz, 639 Hz, 963 Hz? The patterns become more complex, more symmetrical, more alive. It's like 3, 6, and 9 don't just exist in the universe. They're trying to build it. Let's take a journey now. Look around. Start with nature. The petals of a flower often follow Fibonacci numbers. 3, 5, 8, 13. Honeybees build hexagonal, six-sided structures. Snowflakes form in symmetrical six-pointed patterns. The shape of galaxies? Spirals, built by Fibonacci and golden ratio laws. Now, turn to your body. You have three parts of the brain: reptilian, limbic, neocortex. Your spine has 33 vertebrae, divisible by 3. The body's energy centers, the chakras. 7 total, but the 3rd, 6th, and 9th, if you count the crown chakra as the 9th frequency level, are the ones most associated with higher consciousness. Still not convinced? In physics, a phenomenon called torus energy fields shows how energy flows in and out in a spiraling motion, just like galaxies, atoms, and magnetic fields. The shape of the torus is found in black holes, in apple cores, in electromagnetic fields, and the mathematics behind it? You guessed it, rooted in 3, 6, and 9. Even your day-to-day reality echoes the code. Time is divided in sets of 3: past, present, future. Our clocks? 12 hours. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Seconds, minutes, hours, all rooted in 60. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3, 6, 9, again and again. Let's go beyond numbers now. What if this code isn't just math? What if it's the language of consciousness? Tesla believed that the universe was a living mind. That thought itself was a vibration. And just like tuning a radio, when we align our minds with the right frequency, we connect to higher knowledge, creativity, and insight. He didn't just use 3, 6, and 9 in math. He lived by them. He would circle a building 3 times before entering. He made sure his hotel room number was divisible by 3. He wouldn't sit to eat unless he had 18 napkins on the table. 1 plus 8 equals 9. He wasn't superstitious. He was intentional. Tesla was trying to attune himself to the cosmic frequencies of truth, to think like the universe. So what do we do with this knowledge? We live in a world of noise, distractions, chaos, stress. But beneath the surface, there's a rhythm, a hidden pattern, a universal song being played, in geometry, in nature, in the stars. And 3, 6, and 9 are the keys. These numbers remind us that there's order behind the chaos. There's intelligence in the design. There's divinity in the code. Maybe Tesla was right. Maybe if we understand 3, 6, and 9, we don't just unlock science. We unlock consciousness. We become aligned with the rhythm of the universe. We remember that we are not separate from nature. We are nature. We are vibration. We are energy. And in that realization lies freedom. Tesla didn't just give us technology. He left us a trail, a numerical breadcrumb leading straight to the divine mechanics of reality. 369 isn't just a code. It's a key to energy, a key to awakening, a key to who we truly are. The question is, now that the code is revealed, will you use it?